It's 9 in the morning, and once again, we are on the road to Tagaytay. For as long as I can remember, this journey has always meant one thing: nilagang baka for New Year's Day. When we were still young, our father made sure that at the stroke of midnight, there was a pot of rich, comforting nilagang baka waiting for us. It wasn't just food, it was love, it was effort, it was tradition. At hanggang ngayon, kahit senior citizen na ang ate Gayi at nasa mid-50s na rin ako, hindi pa rin nawawala ang tradisyong to. Kasama ang mga kapatid, pamangkin, at ang parehong excitement tuwing pupunta sa Mahogany Market. Pinipili namin ang karne na magiging nilagang baka sa pagsalubong ng bagong taon. Iba talaga kapag may tradisyong minana at mas lalong masarap kapag ipinagpapatuloy. Hindi lang ito ulam, pamana ito. Excited na ako sa nilagang baka.